Hello everyone, welcome to another series of weekly current affair quiz. Let's begin today's quiz. First question is, which of the following parallels form the dividing region between North Korea and South Korea? 17th parallel, 38th parallel, 20th parallel or 49th parallel? The correct answer is option B, 38th parallel. The 38th parallel is used to demarcate the central part of the demilitarized zone between North and South Korea. North Korea shares borders with China and Russia in the north and South Korea in the south. Next question is, G20 Digital Innovation Alliance is launched by which of the following organization? Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology or Niti Aayog? The correct answer is option C, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. As part of India's G20 presidency, Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnav on 28th December launched the Stay Safe online campaign and the G20 Digital Innovation Alliance or G20 DIA. METI is the nodal ministry for the G20 Digital Economy Working Group or DEWG. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding road accidents in India report 2021. 1. It is published by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. 2. Fatalities have decreased by 14.8% in 2021 compared to 2019. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option A, 1 only. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has published the annual report Road Accidents in India 2021. Road accidents decreased by 8.1% and injuries decreased by 14.8% in 2021 compared to 2019. However, fatalities on accounts of road accidents increased by 1.9% in 2021 compared to 2019. Next question is, Ramappa Temple is located in which of the following state? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka or Telangana? The correct answer is option D, Telangana. Rudreshwar Temple, popularly known as Ramappa Temple, is located in the village of Palampet, approximately 200 km northeast of Hyderabad in the state of Telangana. It is the main Shiva temple in a walled complex built during the Kakatiyan period 1123 to 1323 CE. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding Security and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI. 1. It recently proposed framework for index providers. 2. Regulation shall be applicable to foreign index providers only. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option A, 1 only. Markets regulator SEBI on 28 December proposed a framework for index providers aimed at improving transparency and accountability. The proposed regulation shall be applicable to index providers, both domestic and foreign, if the users of the index or products based on index are located in India. Next question is, BrahMos missiles are being developed in collaboration with which country? France, Japan, Russia or Germany? The correct answer is option C, Russia. BrahMos, the name represents the ferry of Brahmaputra and the grace of Moskva rivers. The company was established with collaboration of India and Russia. The company is responsible for designing, developing, producing and marketing the BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the recent study of Omega Centauri. 1. Scientists found that hot stars and white dwarfs emitted less ultraviolet radiation. 2. Omega Centauri is a cluster in Milky Way. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Astronomers and scientists at the Indian Institute of Astrophysics or IIA were studying the Omega Centauri. They have found that hot stars and white dwarfs emitted less ultraviolet radiation than expected. Omega Centauri is the most massive globular cluster system in our galaxy, that is Milky Way. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding border security force. 1. It guards the border of India with Nepal. 2. It comes under Ministry of Defense. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option D, neither 1 nor 2. That is, both the statements are incorrect. Home Minister Amit Shah launched mobile app Prahari and Manual of Border Security Force. At present, Border Security Force or BSF guards international border with Pakistan and Bangladesh. BSF comes under Ministry of Home Affairs. Next question is, report card on the performance of Information Commissions of India is released by Niti Aayog, NGO Pratham, Satark Nagrik Sangathan or Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The correct answer is option C, Satark Nagrik Sangathan. Satark Nagrik Sangathan released the report card on the performance of Information Commissions or ICs in India for 2021-22. The State Information Commission of Tamil Nadu has been the worst performing for responsiveness under the RTI Act. Next question is, recently launched Prajwala Challenge is related to transforming rural economy, free gas connection, free electricity connection or renewable energy production. The correct answer is option A, transforming rural economy. Recently, the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihoods Mission or DAY NRLM has launched the Prajwala Challenge. The challenge aims to invite ideas, solutions and actions that can transform the rural economy. Next question is, Battle of Koregaon was fought between British and Tipu Sultan, British and the Peshwas, Peshwas and Nizam, or Mughals and Peshwas. The correct answer is option B, British and Peshwas. A battle was fought in Bhima Koregaon between the Peshwa forces and the British on January 1, 1818. The British, with just 834 infantrymen, about 500 of them were from the Mahar community, defeated the 28,000 soldiers army of Pesha Baji Rao II. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding Saturn. 1. Saturn is the largest planet in our solar system. 2. It is the only planet having rings around it. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option D, neither 1 nor 2. That is, both the statements are incorrect. NASA's recent images show how Saturn's rings change as it travels around the Sun. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in our solar system. Our planets also have rings around them like Jupiter, Uranus, etc. Next question is, what was the theme of 108th Indian Science Congress 2023? Rural development, sustainable urban development, sustainable development with women empowerment, or affordable and clean energy. The correct answer is option C, sustainable development with women empowerment. PM Modi addressed the 108th Indian Science Congress or ISC on 3rd January 2023 through video conferencing. The theme for this year's ISC was Science and Technology for Sustainable Development with Women Empowerment. Next question is, Satyendra Nath Bose, Indian mathematician and physicist, was born in which year? 1864, 1894, 1874 or 1904. The correct answer is option B, 1894. January 1 marks the birth anniversary of noted Indian mathematician and physicist Satyendra Nath Bose. Born on January 1, 1894, Bose grew up and studied in Kolkata, where he solidified his position as an exemplary academician. Next question is, who among the following is regarded as the mother of Indian feminism? Sarojini Naidu, Savitribai Phule, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur or Sucheta Kriplani? The correct answer is option B, Savitribai Phule. January 3rd marks the birth anniversary of one of India's renowned pioneers of women's education, Kranti Jyoti Savitribai Phule. She was a social reformer and educationalist and a poetess from the state of Maharashtra who fought for women's rights. She is regarded as the mother of Indian feminism. Next question is, consider the following statements. 1. It is celebrated by the Zeliangrong community of Manipur. 2. It is celebrated every year after harvesting. Which of the following festival of Manipur is described in the above lines? Yaosang, Gan Nagai, Chiraoba, or Lui Nagai Ni? The correct answer is option B, Gan Nagai. In Manipur, the Gan Nagai festival of the Zeliangrong community was observed on 4th January. The Gan Nagai festival is one of the major festivals of Manipur, which is celebrated every year after harvesting. The festival also marks the end of the year when the farmers have stored their food grain in their granaries. Next question is, the Defense Research and Development Organization or DRDO comes under which ministry? Directly under Prime Minister, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Home Affairs, or Ministry of Commerce and Industry? The correct answer is option B, Ministry of Defense. Recently, the 65th Foundation Day of DRDO or Defense Research and Development Organization was celebrated on 1st January. DRDO is the research and development wing of the Ministry of Defense, Government of India. DRDO was formed in 1958. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding Arya Samaj. 1. It was founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. 2. It promoted idol worship. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option A, 1 only. The Arya Samaj was founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati in 1875. It opposes worship of murtis, that is idol, animal sacrifice, rituals, basing caste upon birth rather than upon merit, untouchability, child marriage, pilgrimages, priestly craft, and temple offerings. Next question is, the World Braille Day is observed on 30th December, 1st January, 4th January, or 4th February. The correct answer is option C, 4th January. World Braille Day is observed on 4th January every year. The day aims to raise awareness of the importance of Braille as a means of communication in the full realization of human rights for blind and partially sighted people. Last question is, consider the following statements regarding Siom Bridge. 1. It is located in Ladakh. 2. It is being developed by Border Road Organization. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option B, 2 only. Recently, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the Siom Bridge in Arunachal Pradesh. This bridge was among 28 projects of the Border Roads Organization. It is of strategic importance to the defense forces. So that's all for today. Do share your scores in the comment section. Thanks for watching.